Hello everyone, join me today for a day in the life of a window cleaner vlog. It's me and Matthew. What have we got today? We've got 20 cleans. We're covering March, Doddington, and then back towards where I live, which is going to be Guyherne. We have got one clean we're now going to do in my village from yesterday that's rescheduled till today because that's when they could make it. So will we do it? Who knows? Follow along. Right, that's the cleans done in Wimbledon, done today. We're now heading off to do 5 cleans in March, and then we're heading back to my way. We've got 11 cleans in total left. It's just gone 1 o'clock. We've had something to eat, sandwiches, didn't take long. But me and Matthew, while we're doing a first clean for a customer we'd quoted for last time in the area, the neighbours either side come out and asked us how much to clean their windows. So I've got the neighbour. We did a first clean on that one, and while I was cleaning them, I've got them every 4 weeks, so that's 2 of them going to be together. The neighbour the other side that Matthew cleaned, it ended up being a one-off because they're moving house, so we got it done anyway. So they've put us behind a bit, but sometimes you just got to do it, because if you don't, you've only got the problem next time round. So at least next time round now, it's just a normal clean, 2 neighbours close to where we clean other ones. So yeah, happy with that. But the pressure's on for the rest of the day. So if you want to find out, keep watching the rest of the video to see whether we'll make it or not. So follow along. Just got home from March. It's now 3 p.m. We've got 6 cleans left to get in for the day. It's been raining on the way home. So as long as it's raining whilst I'm in the van driving, I don't mind. It's when you're out working in it, innit? But yeah, so it's been a full-on day. 2 extra cleans have held us back, but I'm out of water. I'm pretty confident though. Fingers crossed, won't be too long after 5 and we'll get the whole lot done. And it'll be a good amount of money if we do it all as well. Some good going. And as typical, you're trying to get to one house and there's road closures, road works on, and then you're doing detours, just a long way to get 50 metres further down the road where you wanted. But we got there. Anyway, that's gone against us. See what happens for the rest of the day. Whey, let's do it. Time is now 5:45, a bit later than what we want. However, we've had a few things go against us, but you just try and fight through it and keep going, don't you? And we got there at the end. Luckily got the daylight, but we've done 22 cleans in the end, and I've travelled almost 42 miles. It's going to take me 5 minutes to get home from where we are now. So yeah, happy days. It's another day ticked off. Good amount of money for me and Matthew there. 22 cleans, bit of driving around. It's over, well, it's £464. That's what we got today. So, and like I say, we did 2 extra cleans, which were first cleans on top of another first clean. But yeah, we did it. So I'm happy with that. It'd be nice to get some easy days come up here and there, but I think looking on our schedule, we've got more days like this as well. So it's either all out in it, or you haven't got enough and you're dying to get more work. It's never like a happy medium. But anyway, thanks for joining, thanks for following us. We didn't get it done before 5, but we got some extra cleans in, so I'll take that. And YouTube will stick a video up for you to watch. So if you already haven't done so, like, subscribe and all the good stuff. Thanks for watching.